Holy smokes. Look at all this. Look at those mounds of snow. Holy crap. Hey guys, this is me, Jet Fox, over back to the video, and as you can see, we got the snow that they predicted, and they were not kidding. So we probably got about, they probably got about a foot and a half, or maybe close, about 2 feet. So last night I was in here with the plow truck, and I was kind of making sure this is all good here, because this is too much for the quad to handle. So instead I used the truck. Normally I don't like using the truck because it's it's kind of tight in some spots, where on the quad it's more maneuverable, which I said that in a video before. But so guys, so I'm gonna hop in the shed here, and Jesus, so look at this, guys. So here's the ground, and that is how high that is. That's probably gotta be the 2 feet right there. So I'm gonna step right in here. Oh my, that's like knee-high snow there. Oh my God, Jesus. Woo. So I'm gonna try and get the quad out of here. I gotta get all that garbage out of there. And I'm gonna hop on the quad, and I'm gonna salt the hill, so that way it doesn't get no slippery. Looks nice in here. They got that little heater going. It's nice in here. Jesus. I mean, it's even tough to open the door. Jesus. Yeah, I got a lot of snow. Oh boy. There we go. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna hop on the quad right now. I'm gonna get all this stuff out of here and stuff. And yeah, and I'm gonna salt the hill now, and we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, here we go. salt in there a little bit. And I'm pretty sure that we're out of salt. All right. You also got some salt in there, but yeah, it should be all right. All right, guys, so I'm all done salting, and yeah, I salted the hill, and here comes the wind. So guys, so I did a couple, geez, that wind, that came quick. So I salted the hill quite a few times, so that'll be good there. It'll melt. Pull that up, and we got everything all plowed in. Looks pretty good. Yeah, this storm is a little too much for the quad, but a handle. That's why I took the plow off the quad, because I just knew that it wouldn't be that too good in this stuff. So that actually worked out good. I can, use the truck to plow near a storm like this, and I can salt but at the end. And yeah, but like on the little storms, the little storms I can use the quad, but the bigger storms like this one, I can't really plow with the quad much because I know it's gonna be struggling. But just like, look at the size of this snow mountain right here. Man, that's gotta be maybe 5 feet tall. Maybe, I don't know. But guys, we got a lot of snow last night. A lot of snow. I think this was the major storm that we would do for a long time. And also, guys, actually, believe it or not, they're actually calling for another snowstorm this Sunday, actually. Jesus God. So probably do the same thing again, just to make sure the stuff's all ready to go, and we'll see what happens. But they're not sure, not how much they're calling yet, because it's still ways out. But we'll see what happens. But all right, guys. So I think that's gonna do with this video here. I know it's not exciting. It's kind of boring. I know that. But like, I had a long day at work last night, plowing. And I really don't want to do anything else. So this could be at the end of the video here. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.